Snow on the rooftop, ice on the door. Whole world quiet like never before. Road them frozen, night them long, but we hold the line, we stay strong. Windows shaking, wind them roar. Families huddled on the floor, but in the dark, one truth remains. Love still burn like a living flame. When the cold tries, still we break. We draw closer, heart to heart. No storm can touch what we protect. Fire inside, never part. Cold outside, but the fire in we heart. Keep the winter apart. Hands them join, no man alone. We build warmth like a living home. Cold outside, but we're still alive. From this storm, together we rise. Snow can't win, night can't stay. In a fire, keep the cold away. Hey, hey. City lights buried under white. Sirens echo through the night. Oh, I gone, but hope still glow. One candlelight, whole block no. Soup on the stove, prayers in our air. Blanket share like say we care. No gold greater than human touch. In the freeze, love means so much. When the cold try break, we sing soft to hold on tight. Storm past, but we remain. Morning, follow longest night. Cold outside, but the fire in we heart. Keep the winter apart. Hands them join, no man alone. We build warmth like a living home. Cold outside, but we're still alive. From this storm, together we rise. Snow can't win, night can't stay. In a fire, keep the cold away. Fire in our soul. Fire make we whole. Even in the ice and snow. Hold the child, hold the elder tight. We be the one, we be the light. Cold outside, but the fire in we heart. Storm can't tear what love start. Side by side till the sun return. From the ashes, warm still burn. Cold outside, but here we say we survive another day. From the freeze, a brand new start. Winter fall to the fire in we heart. Yeah.